Good morning, student. Welcome to this channel. In this session, we will take numerical problems based on fluid properties. Let us have a problem. Calculate the specific weight, density, and specific gravity of 1 liter of liquid which weighs 7 Newton. We will write the given things and what we have to calculate. 1 liter of liquid means volume is given, means volume is 1 liter, and second thing, which weighs 7 Newton, means weight of the liquid is 7 Newton. These two things are given and we have to calculate the specific weight gamma and density rho and specific gravity of the liquid. Now first, weight density. From the formula gamma is equal to W upon V, we will calculate the weight density. Put the values of weight, that is given 7, and volume, that is 10 raised to minus 3. Now how it comes 10 raised to minus 3? Let us come to this figure. 1 liter that consists of 10 centimeter by 10 centimeter and height is 10 centimeter. That contains 1 liter liquid. Volume is 1 liter. Now if we multiply 10 and this 10 means the volume, if we calculate the volume, that comes out to be 10 raised to 3, means 1 liter is equal to 10 raised to 3 centimeter cube. And converting centimeter into meter, that comes out to be 1 liter is equal to 1 upon 1000 meter cube. In this way, the 1 liter volume comes out to be 10 raised to minus 3 meter cube. Now putting the values of weight W7 and volume is equal to 10 raised to minus 3. So gamma comes out to be 7000 Newton meter cube. This is first answer that is required. Now second, from the formula we will calculate the density. So from the formula gamma is equal to rho g, we will calculate the mass density of the liquid rho L, that is equal to, from this formula, from mathematical transformation, rho L is equal to gamma upon G. And as we have already calculated the value of gamma, that is 7000, putting the value of gamma and G 9.81, so rho L comes out to be 713.5 kg per meter cube. This is second answer. And third required thing is specific gravity of liquid. The specific gravity of liquid SL is equal to rho L upon rho W, where rho W is the mass density of water and that is equal to 10 raised to 3. That is the value, standard value at atmospheric pressure, 1 atmospheric pressure and 4 degrees Celsius. That you have to remember. So rho L we have calculated, that is equal to 713.5. So putting the value of rho L equal to 713.5 and rho W is equal to 1000. So specific gravity of liquid comes out to be 0.7135. This is the answer. So this is complete solution of the problem. Let us have next numerical problem based on fluid properties. Calculate the density, specific weight and weight of 1 liter petrol of specific gravity equal to 0.7. Means we have given 1 liter petrol, means volume is given, and specific gravity 0.7, specific gravity SL equal to 0.7. These two things are given, and we have to calculate the density of liquid, specific weight of liquid, and weight of liquid. Now from the formula, first we will calculate the density. From the formula, SL equal to rho L upon rho W. From mathematical transformation, we can write rho L is equal to SL into rho W. The value of rho W is 10 raised to 3 at 1 atmospheric pressure and 4 degrees Celsius. That is standard value that you have to remember. So from this, putting the value of rho W is equal to 10 raised to 3 and SL that is given 0.7. So the rho L, that is density, comes out to be 700 kg per meter cube. Now second thing that is required is the specific weight, that is gamma L. From the formula, gamma L is equal to rho L into G. We can calculate the specific weight of the liquid. Now rho L is equal to 700 and G is equal to 9.81. So the specific weight gamma L comes out to be 6867 Newton per meter cube. This is the answer. Third, we have to calculate the weight W. From the formula, the specific weight is equal to W upon volume. That is weight per unit volume. That is the definition. So from this we will calculate the weight of the liquid. From mathematical transformation, we can write this formula as W is equal to gamma L into V. V is the volume, that is equal to 10 raised to minus 3, and gamma L that we have already calculated, that is 6867. Putting the values of gamma L and V, the weight of liquid comes out to be 6.867 Newton. This is the answer. In this way, we have calculated different values of fluid, or here fluid is petrol, 1 liter petrol. This is complete solution.